Steal our 8-step process to property purchase success. Hi, my name is Rupali. In this video, I'm going to share with you our 8-step process to property purchase success. Number 1, initial consultation, getting to know you. Number 2, strategy. Formulate your long-term goals and a blueprint to get there. Number 3, research and analysis. We go and research on the region. Number 4, shortlist of properties. We look for investment-grade properties which are likely to grow better than the average. Number 5, property review. We review the numbers and the property. Number 6, negotiation. We work closely with the sales agent to create a win-win situation, offering speed of execution and confidence in return of the bargain. Number 7, acquisition. We handhold the purchase process, including reviewing reports and collaborating with others. Number 8, ongoing review. We continue to review your long-term goals and the performance of your portfolio periodically. Click the link to claim your free investment readiness call with us. www.getrare.com.au/ready